Hey y'all, it is me Zarella and I'm back with another wig review video. So today's wig is from Tinashe Hair and this is the easiest wig install ever and it came out so freaking cute. This is the 24-inch straight headband wig and all I did was do my edges and plop on the wig and curl it, y'all. So yeah, everything about this headband wig will be linked down below in the description. So make sure you go and check out Tinashe Hair.
The vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold their chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know you won't do for you. Yeah, I know what you wanted. You got it gorgeous. You bet you're tugging. It's talking me nicely. Just ease it up on me. I'm fighting the feeling. I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes. The way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready. You want it for it. You've heard some things people talk like they know the real me. Let me clear the air. I've made my mistakes. I've learned how to behave. I know I'm a stranger, but I feel acquainted. Reading the signs, we both got our damages. I don't wanna play it safely. With you, it's different. You've been what I'm missing. Real talk, no fiction. I get lost in how I'm feeling. Yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move your body, baby. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready. You want it for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready for it. What are we waiting on? You want it for me. Are you ready? Ooh, yeah. The vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back.